Okay, so we made it. It has been so long since we've actually gone to a run, dude. They've all been so far away and all boring. Like, I really hope this cooks because I know who's organizing it, and it should theoretically. What's this E46? I don't trust this E46. I've seen it too many times. I don't trust you, sir. I don't trust you. What are you planning? Okay, anyways. Yeah, the lineup's looking clean. We're super early. It's like still 10 minutes till it actually starts, so hopefully some more cars pull up. I don't know if you can see, but there is a very nice and apparently very tuned GTR over there. You're the reason I have trust issues, I swear. Anyways, yeah, it's filling up nice. So we'll see. So another look at this GTR. Also got a carbon bonnet, so you know what's up with that. Also very nice E92 that I'm sure we all once again know pretty good. I'm also, don't mind how I sound, I'm also kind of just getting over the flu, so I probably do sound pretty off. So just had a nice heap of cars pull up. ST, oh, that insect sounds nice. A couple of M4s, the CS 440, M5 also sounds pretty good. A couple GTIs. So yeah, it's filling up quite nicely. This thing sounds nice. Low-key makes me want an ST now. Yeah, lineup looking clean. We have the snake eyes on the F83. I'm one of the rare ones that actually think it looks fucking sick. Look at this child here. Stole him from Congo, wherever he lives. The GTR, the 440. This M5 sounds kind of mad, I can't lie. And then the GTIs.
Most of I can sit in there. So that is a T2 RS, guys.
No. It's an A1. Sure. How random is this? Oh, I have some pops in the distance. Gunshots. Sure. Got an M2 pulling up as well. Another M4 pulling up with another M4 pulling up. Ooh, those front mounts. Ah, I'm such a sucker for front mounts. Yes, okay. Man, I have not seen this car in forever. Absolutely, not since the race tech owners run, but we've had a few cars pull up. Trying to find, there was a Lumina that pulled in, and yes, that man, he needs to relax. Yes, it's just got a right foot from hell. SUV, I want to say it's an X35. I don't know what you call them. There it is. Fucking mental case. But it sounds really good. Very loud. Ghost pulled up. There's a very mad sounding Mark 1 Golf. It's just over there. Can't quite see it. But yeah, lineup is looking good. Turnout is looking good. It's getting properly full now, which is sick to see.
Understeer.
Yes.
Where the fuck is the cargo?
Found it. So chaos more or less completed. We're heading our way out. Oh, that already sounds so good. I'll try to get there. No promises though. after about 5 hours trying to find a park at a fucking skew ass, holy shit, fucking attempt at an endpoint. Somehow we've ended up here, which has been very difficult. But nonetheless, I can't remember the last time I was at a Sea Point Sunday, so I guess we're here for the vibes. The weather's cool, so might as well live with it. Right here, standard Sea Point Sunday stuff, lineup looking super cool. But this is pretty much the lineup we're working with. Yeah, but lineup looking good, even with the very loud V8 Panamera packed. First time I've seen this car without its neon yellow wrap on, which is kind of sick. Yo, GTI sounds nice, got the M2. But yeah, it's pretty full, pretty standard Sea Point Sunday stuff.